Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys. And today video title is guys Wi-Fi setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we use guys Infinix phone Wi-Fi setting guys. One by one step guys I will show guys your all Wi-Fi setting guys. So first of all guys open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. So means you will have to click on first of all Wi-Fi setting guys. After on guys Wi-Fi setting guys you can see guys you use Wi-Fi guys you want to use, so guys you can on and you can off from here. First of all guys we will refresh guys Wi-Fi setting. After refresh guys you can see guys this type of interface. So guys you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting guys we have already any network, and guys you want to connect and another network, so guys you can connect from here. So enter guys this Wi-Fi password guys. After enter password guys you can see guys the second network will connect, and we have saved guys this two network guys. You can see guys we have this saved the two network guys. You can check from here guys these networks. Friends, come back. Friends, you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting. So friends, you want to share guys this Wi-Fi QR code, so friends you can share from here guys. And friends, you want to disconnect a network guys, you can disconnect and forget from here. So example for guys I will forget guys this one of my Wi-Fi network, 5G network. And friends, you can see guys we have this one saved network guys here. And since you can see Wi-Fi preference guys, you can allow guys, you can see guys auto switch to mobile data guys, you can on and off from here, and you can use it guys. You can see turn on Wi-Fi automatically guys, you can on, and guys you can off from here. You will have to give permission guys. So like that guys you can use guys your all Wi-Fi setting guys A to Z. So guys you want to disconnect a network, you can disconnect, and guys you can off your Wi-Fi setting from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on and how to use Wi-Fi setting Infinix phone. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video. Bye guys.